Good Lord, what's going on around here? Look at all this stuff cluttering up the kitchen. Well, it's going to make the kitchen look nice and pretty. I just got done. Well, somebody else installed the countertops and installed the stainless steel sink. And after that, I thought, phooey on calling the plumber. I did call a plumber to get a price, and they wanted $750 to install the faucet, the soap dispenser, the drain, what do you call it? The basket strainer. That's called a basket strainer whole thing. I just installed that whole thing down in there. Okay, like that. And for them to install the garbage disposal, install the piping underneath there, $750, $752 to be exact. And that was with me providing a garbage disposal and the sink faucet and the soap dispenser and the strainer. All he was going to have to do was provide the piping for underneath. And so over $700 labor to do this. And you don't, that's why I'm making these videos, because I thought, hey, phooey on that. I'll just make some videos and attach them to this to these episodes of the condo renovation and show you that if I can do it in Average Joe, of course you can do it too. I'm not a plumber. I've installed faucets before, basket strainers before, garbage disposals before, but once in a blue moon. Maybe garbage disposals, maybe 3 or 4 in my life. Replaced a couple in my life, taking out an old one and installing a new one and stuff like that. Maybe 10 sink faucets before in my life. That's it. I haven't done any of this type of plumbing for probably the last 5 years. But don't let that deter you from trying to tackle it on your own. If you got any sense, especially if you're taking out old stuff, you can kind of take out the piping and go to the store and get whatever parts. You could even use some of the old stuff if you wanted, you know. But this particular video is going to be how to install a garbage disposal. And here's the old garbage disposal I took out with the old sink, and it still looks in good shape. If it was me, I probably would put it back in, but mind you, I don't know how old it is. It says a 4-year warranty. It still ran really good. And then maybe down the road, replace it if it ever goes out. I don't use a garbage disposal that much anyways, but I discussed it with Mommy, and she thought better of it. She thought, let's go ahead and purchase a brand spanking new one, which is right here. It's got a 6-year warranty, and it's 3/4 horsepower. This one was a 3/4 horsepower. That was an incinerator. This one's an incinerator. So I am going to be installing this new incinerator right here. That's what this video series is about. If you want to watch that, stick around. Well, that's all I got for this time, but I'll be back with more videos. And what am I going to speak to you about next time and show you? Well, it has to do with this whole drain assembly. This whole drain assembly, like this one here, okay, like that. We've got to configure something basically similar to that in order to hook up to the garbage disposal and my sink basket strainer. Okay, that's for next time.